Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon. Hey guys, welcome to Gizmo Times. This is Chetan and this is the Infinix Quiet X, the noise cancellation headphones from Infinix, the brand that has launched a couple of smartphones so far in the Indian market, and this was their first accessory in this market. So this is the Quiet X that seems to have a comfortable design with those earmuffs, and the list of features that it has got majorly include these. First of all, the excellent noise cancellation performance, which is said to be going to about 25 decibel or more, the reduction of the noise levels. And then this is going to have a 600 mAh battery, long lasting, more than 25 hours is what the company has claimed, though that is not what the actual battery life that we have got is. And this comes with the CSR Bluetooth 4.2, which is again the low energy Bluetooth, and these are the black headphones that we are using right now. And these are again the major features: wireless connection, world-class noise reduction IC, and there's a 3.5mm common interface as well. So in case you don't want to use Bluetooth to listen to the audio, you can always use the 3.5mm pin to just connect it to the smartphone with the wire. And this has a dual mic design with the clearer calls, so that also indicates that using Bluetooth or the wire you can actually take calls using the headphones. So this small graphic here indicates that the headphones come with 50% TPE, 40% ABS and 10% aluminum. That is the material that is being used to make these headphones. Let's quickly take the headphones out of the box. So this is how the headphones come out of the box package, and apart from these headphones, what else you get in the box is this pouch to carry the headphones around, and it comes with the Infinix branding, and there's a Infinix user guide in case you wanted to understand how the headphones work and how to start using them. And finally there's this wire with a 3.5mm pin to connect headphones to your smartphone or laptop. So these are the headphones. The earmuffs do feel quite comfortable, and the roundish design is always a good one if you have a proper amount of space for the ears to properly sit here. And this design usually is for those headphones that offer the noise cancellation, the active noise cancellation, and there's the indicator of left and right just inside the muffs. And on the left are a couple of controls. First one would be the power button and the Bluetooth one as well. As soon as you turn on the power, it would start the Bluetooth connectivity. And there's the button for the ANC, that's active noise cancellation. So you can turn this on or off based on whether you want the noise cancellation or not. And this is the 3.5mm jack. On the right are the controls for play and pause and for the volume controls, as well as finally this is the micro USB port for charging the headphones. And there are these mics on the left as well as on the right that take the external noise in to cancel the noise again by sending the passive noise. And this is the final design that you see here, and this can be pulled out to this level finally based on how comfortable you want the headphones to be. And this pair of headphones is coming at the price of rupees 7,000, which is again not as low as these two, the Bluedio F2, which is priced at rupees 6,000. But then the build quality of the Bluedio F2 is not as good as what the Bluedio T4S or even the Infinix Quiet X is. These look quite cheapish in quality when you talk about the build or the material that is used here, but then the battery life of the Bluedio F2 was excellent, and even the noise cancellation level was quite decent, though I won't say that the noise cancellation on the Bluedio F2 was as good as what it is on the Infinix Quiet X. And these are the Bluedio T4S, which are similarly designed to how the Infinix Quiet X is, with that round design for the earmuffs, and they have a similar kind of control, and this is where the noise cancellation of the T4S is similar to how it is on the Bluedio F2 as well. If you compare the noise cancellation on these three headphones, the Infinix Quiet X, the Bluedio T4S or the F2, the cancellation is the best on the Quiet X itself, though you're paying a bit more when compared to 4,500 somewhere around that for the T4S and rupees 6,000 for the Bluedio F2. These are priced at rupees 7,000, but then the battery life is not as good as what it is on those two headphones. But the final point about these headphones is the noise cancellation, and that is where it is said to be a bit better. It's not just said to be. We have tried these headphones, and in the end you can expect a better noise cancellation on these headphones. The connectivity differs here because here what you see is a micro USB connectivity, but Bluedio has tried to take it to the current trends where you have the USB Type-C connectivity, and you can use this with those kind of phones that have the Type-C connectivity only for the audio output, like the phones like Pixel or the Pixel 2, and that is where the Type-C connectivity helps, and these two headphones do have them. So these are in a way the budget noise cancellation smartphones from Infinix, the Infinix Quiet X at Rs 7,000. They are quite well built and they have a decent battery life. It was said to be giving 25 hours based on the spec list that is given, but in the end the battery life was around 16 to 18 hours if we play music for a long time using Bluetooth on these. So this was the unboxing and hands-on and the quick opinions about the headphones when compared to the Bluedio T4S and the Bluedio F2. I hope you like this video. If you do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.